Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Stu, back with another one. Today I got a cool little unboxing, you feel me? I got me a little box, you feel what I'm saying? But before we get into it, I just want to let everybody on YouTube know and all the little robots, this is educational purposes only. This is only art supplies, you feel me? Everything is AI. I've been studying digital media for like over a decade, so I didn't AI. I'm not even real, to be honest. Like, I'm not a real person right now. This is AI. Thank you. But yeah, we're about to get into it. Y'all stay tuned. We finna get into it. Y'all don't go nowhere. Alright, what's up, y'all? I hope I didn't expose my address in that other video that y'all just seen. Wait up, I think I need a light. Hold on. Alright, that's better. That's better. You feel what I'm saying? Let me fix the shirt. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, get crispy, get nice, get clean. You feel me? Yeah, but check it out. Y'all know y'all boys are pro ambassador now, so shout out JK Distro for the opportunity. It's a lot more coming soon. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna be flooded. You feel me? I'm trying to flood the channel. Of course, I'll be having work and stuff, so you know, I've just gotta balance real life and all the other stuff, family and everything. You know, everything is balanced. You need balance in your life. But let's not waste no more time. Let's get into this box. This is a surprise for me. I seen it in my email. They sent me the tracking and stuff. I didn't know I was gonna get it because shout out Justice. She asked for my address, so I sent it to her, and then I just assumed they was gonna send me a box, and then I got the email. I seen the first item, so I know one item that's in here. The rest I don't know, because I wanted it to be authentic and a real surprise for y'all. So finna grab the knife, you feel me? Got the little handle, little blade. Check me out. Hold up, look. Ooh, I missed that one. Hold up. Dang, I can't do it, bro. Hold up, I got it this time. Damn, that's 3 times. Should I try it again? Try it again? All right. Okay, 5th time, but hey, we got it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we finna get into this box. You feel what I'm saying? Brand new JK Distro. But before you open it, y'all subscribe, y'all like, leave a comment, share with your friends, share with your mama, your daddy, your cousin, your uncle, everybody. Just tell them, hey, y'all heard that boy Stu? That boy got some on his channel. You feel me? So yeah, you feel me? Let's get into it though. We about to crack it open, you feel me? I wish I could show y'all where I'm cutting, but it got my address on it. Y'all not getting that. I ain't gonna lie, this box kind of hard to open, which is good. It's sealed and nice, and you feel me? Nobody can get into your stuff. Alright, ooh, I ain't gonna lie, bro, I'm excited. Hold up, y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? That's that JK Distro. Yeah, stop playing with that ball. But hey, matter of fact, y'all gonna get the same. Damn, hold up, I need something to scratch out my address, bro. I'm gonna do it in post. But yeah, y'all, look, check this out, bro. All right, look, check this out, you feel me? I ain't never opened the box yet. We about to open it together. Ooh, something falling out. Hold up. Oh, what's that? What that is? Oh, I think I know what that is. I seen it. I just seen it. But look, yeah, that's what you get in the box, you feel me? Ooh. What I got? Oh, look, your boy about to be pulled up, you feel me? I got some 420 milligram THC live rosin syrup, 5 milligram Delta 9 THC per serving, watermelon. How many servings is in here? I don't know. I'm gonna have to crack this open. Hold up. We got some new stuff. I see some new stuff in there. I don't know if y'all seen that. Oh, and boy, this, but yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all that. Boom, check that out. You feel me? Check that out. We got some new stuff. I'm gonna just wait to open that. I know I'm all over the place. I'm sorry, y'all. That's just how I do. You feel me? I get excited. JK Distro, I get excited when I get to review it. You know what I'm saying? Cause I love this. Ooh, we got some new. Ooh, okay. We got some new. Now this is something y'all ain't never seen before. Okay. JK Distro got something new. And I'm gonna show y'all, you feel me? We going crazy, you feel me? So, as y'all know, in a lot of states, they're starting to ban THCA. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all feel what I'm saying? But let me get serious. In a lot of states, they're starting to ban THCA. They catching on to the loophole everybody been doing. You know, I know like in Georgia, Kentucky, I want to say a few other states. I can't say them off the top of my head, but now JK, I'm not gonna show y'all all of these. I can only show y'all some. But now JK Distro has THCP. They got THCP. So if your state has banned THCA, they tell you you can't get it. THCA is, You know the word, the ill word. I'm not gonna say it just because of YouTube, but if they tell you that in your state, you can still get this. So go to JK Distro. You're gonna see TACP. You feel what I'm saying? And you're gonna be able to get it. You ain't gonna have no worries. They're not gonna seize nothing. They're not gonna take nothing. You feel me? You're gonna get your stuff straight in the mail, bomb, straight to you. So y'all know we got a review coming on that one soon. And we got the Slurricane. I can't announce everything. We got two. Y'all see it's 3 in here. Y'all, hey, JK Distro, they coming up. We got a lot coming. So y'all look, yeah, we going crazy. But we do got the TACP Slurricane. We're gonna try that probably next video y'all see. Yeah, you feel me? And we got 2 other ones. I can't tell y'all what it is because they ain't dropped yet. This is the exclusive. This that exclusive pack, you feel me? But yeah, we're going crazy. Okay, yeah. So y'all got that. Y'all put that on y'all list. Boom. Remember to get the TACP JK Distro. Look, yeah, that's how we coming. I bet. Let's put that to the side because look, we got a lot more. Look, I'm excited already. We only 2 products in, and look, we going crazy. I said I got another box in here. Y'all know what this box mean. Y'all know we got a O-ski. We got a O. You feel what I'm saying? Alright, let's see. Ooh, okay. Premium Pacific Flower. Let's see. Which strain? Ooh, Rainbow Run. I can't show that because you feel what I'm saying? But yeah, this is a Rainbow Runs. You know what I'm saying? Got the Rainbow Runs minis. The little O, you feel what I'm saying? Hey, look, up there, you feel me? Yeah, we in there. Okay, boom. That's nice. I like that. Ooh, what's this? We got a red label. Ooh, that boy got some gushes. That boy got them gushes. I know that thing about that taste. Look, federal. Federal, I'm telling you. Ooh, and we got something new. I ain't seen this before. What's this? Okay. This is some Divine Mother. Divine Mother. And if y'all don't know, you could go to JK Distro. Divine Mother is a new line put out to help for women's awareness and women's health. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to all the beautiful women in the world. We love all of y'all. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for y'all. You know what I'm saying? It would be no us. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to all of y'all, all of the pretty, beautiful women out there. We love y'all. All the mothers, all the ladies, all the women, all of them. You feel me? Thank y'all. We got a new line to help support y'all. You know what I'm saying? And if you're a woman and you want to support other women, look, mom, get you some Divine Mother. You know it's going straight to a good cause. I'm gonna put more about that below. But yeah, we got some good turfs with these. You feel me? We got some lemon kush. Y'all know, look, man, y'all know I've been trying to get a lemon strain for the longest. I'm gonna do a story time about this, but I'm gonna just tell y'all the first strain I tried was sour lemon haze, and it had that little lemon, and ever since then I've been trying to find a lemon. I ain't found it, so hopefully this gonna take me back. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna take me back. Yeah, take me back to them days where that little, ooh, you feel me? But yeah, and we got some apples and banana. The apples to oranges was crazy. So I'm knowing the apples and banana is, look, going stupid, you feel me? So we got that, yeah, we in there, you feel what I'm saying? And last but definitely not least, because I done heard about these, we got some Blue Line Shorties. So these is, you'll see right here, it's a little jar, you see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? And this is a 6 count of 0.6 grams. So total you have 3.6 grams, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, get you right, you know what I'm saying? Say you going on a walk, you gonna walk your dog, or you ain't really trying to roll up, you gotta hurry up, go. You like, dang, I gotta go, but I'm trying to bring some yeah with me, you know what I'm saying? You could take one out of here, or you could bring the whole thing. If you in the game going, you feel what I'm saying? Y'all gonna do what y'all do, get into what y'all get into, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this all the new stuff from JK Distro. If you see anything you like, you can go hit them up, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know where to go. I can't put all the info because YouTube be restricting, but y'all know where to go. But I just want to thank y'all, man. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to everybody in the world. I wish world peace on everybody. Peace and love and blessings, you know what I'm saying? But this your boy Stu. Y'all gotta come back if y'all want to review. Y'all thought y'all was about to get everything in one? I'm about to do everything in one, but y'all have to come back. So I'm gonna leave a video right there. YouTube thought you would like that one, so go ahead and watch that. Y'all know what's in that description down below. Start clicking, get your mouse a little clicking, click your thumbs, you know what I'm saying? Support your boy. Peace and love, Stu World. Peace.